If you head up there, you can see a wider selection of...
So for Namm this year, they did things just a little bit different. They've got the arena set up as a speaker, kind of a demo room here for different companies. And what they're doing is they have a little time where they can actually go and play some music and demo it. And then they have over here a little spot that'll give you kind of a rating and such, so they can kind of control the timing, and everyone has their little slot of time. But they can control how loud they are and give you the numbers right there. So there's quite a few in here. One of which you've seen it right ahead of us. That really cool kind of red one is what's on right now, which sounds really good. A little too much bass for that, but hey, you know, some people really like a lot of bass. And then over on the side we've got RCF over there, PV's over there, Bass Boss is over. They're going to be up in just a few minutes, and we want to hear what Bass Boss sounds like in a room this size. We're in an arena here, and they don't have. We're going to walk over there. The Bass Boss crew. And you're going to hear the speakers behind me that are going to be kind of coming through on my microphone. The Bass Boss, they've got their standard gear right down here in their booth, and then they have a line array up above. But we're going to get to hear that in just a little bit here. The stack of subs in the back, and then the line array up on top from Bass Boss. So I'm kind of excited to hear this. We've not been able to hear them, especially in a room this large, which again is a full-on arena. So you've got a lot of space here. So it'll be kind of fun to hear that in just a few minutes. We'll shoot a little video so you guys can get an idea of what it's going to sound like from the Namm 2019 kind of speaker demo room.